Hey there, thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I just want to say up front that Top Tier is not endorsing me or paying me for this product, sponsoring me, just my personal review of this product. Used it once so far and I have become a fan of it. I was looking for a cleaner way to clean my floors rather than using a traditional mop or other methods that are out there, because you're just pushing dirty water around. And I've come across this product that is a little bit different from those other flat mop systems. As you can see in the right here, a lot of the brands don't have that center cleaning reservoir to rinse the dirty mop head, and you end up just reusing that dirty water like a lot of products out there. So just wanted to kind of promote this product. I think it's something you should be aware of. I think it's a really great product, and as you can see here, the Top Tier X3 Mop is the perfect tool for all your cleaning needs. They say our patented 3-chamber technology separates clean water from contaminated water while mopping. Stainless steel mop has 360-degree rotating mop head for those hard to reach areas. The X3 mopping system also comes with 3 reusable microfiber mop pads that are machine washable. And there you go. Just Google it. You should find the X3 mop. I bought mine off of Amazon. I think there's other retailers also that sell it. So just to kind of give you a little bit more of a visual, here's the mop itself, mop bucket I should say, and I just added my cleaning product, my floor cleaner, and I'm putting it in the clean water side here. Here's your center channel for rinsing, and then the gadget that's on top right here fits over it and separates the wringer. It separates the dirty, wrings out the dirty water and cascades it down to your dirty side here. And you have 2 ways of draining it. You can just drain it from the top, or there's a little plug here at the bottom to drain as well. Alright, I'll show you how I use the mop. Okay. Here's one of the microfiber pads that you attach to the 360-degree rotating mop head. Oh, you could also use this as a dry duster, of course. Instead of, before you maybe mop, you could just go around and pick up any dust products, and then before you get into mopping. But anyway, I'm going to show you the mopping part. So alright, so here's this mop bucket. I attached the lid in the proper orientation. This allows you to release the clean water into that center chamber. Once you've got the water chamber in the center filled, you insert your mop head and do that a couple of times. Get the mop head soaked on both sides, like so. And you can already see, maybe from the camera there, that as you go down, the water that's in the mop head is separated and goes into that chamber. So you got your mop head all soaked and you're ready to mop. Okay, mopping with the X3. Just like any other flat mop, you got your damp mopping, like so. Right? And then after that, you wring it out. Almost done mopping the floor. This is also great for getting around the tight spaces like behind your toilet, other nooks and crannies. That's what turned me off to getting one of those power systems where they got the tank. The heads are just too big to get into those tight spots, and you end up mopping behind it anyway. So good for those tight spots. Alright, so I released the clean water into the center chamber. The center chamber is going to get a little bit dirty from the rinsing of the mop head. Not as dirty as it would be with the other systems, where you just have the two chambers. This third chamber, as you can see, is really handy. It does wring out the dirty water into its own compartment. And you just keep adding more clean water as you need it. And they say you could throw it in your washer and dryer, or just hang dry, I suppose. I am happy with this product. It serves my needs. This brand of flooring says it's wet moppable, but it is real wood, and I think I'd still like to err on the side of caution and stick with damp mopping. So I think that's the way to go. The X3 Mop. Alright, I know this video has probably become a little bit longer than it needed to be, but I wanted to finish off just showing you how much dirt I picked up off the floor. And you can see how the rinse, or the clean water chamber stays clean. There's your center chamber for rinsing your mop, and there's the dirty water. And again, you could just dump it out from the top or use the drain plug. Thanks for watching.